group. It has a 100% success rate with the many big companies we target to enact a fur-free policy.
They're running, they're hiding their faces. You know what you do, Max Mara.
¡Tiene sangre en las manos!
¡Sangre! ¡Sangre! ¡Sangre en las manos!
¡I vostri negozi! Bagni di sangue!
¡Volveremos! 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 The blood is on your hands!
Vergogna, Max Mara! Vergogna!
¡Con le vostre mani!
Max Mara, animal abusers!
Shame on you! Max Mara, shame on you! Max Mara, shame on you!
Fur trade, death trade!
Fur trade, murder trade!
This is very serious. 100 million animals murdered every year.
Basta, pellicce!
Basta, pellicce!
Max Mara, basta, pellicce!
¡Basta, felice!
Fur trade is the death trade.
Max Mara, shame on you! Shame on you for killing animals!
Max Mara, it is high time that you enact a fur-free policy. We are tired of asking nicely.